If you have someone in your life who loves Philips Hue, then I have a list of gift ideas that will satisfy any Hue user. The Philips Hue system is so large, there's so many different lights and accessories that are available, and there's ways that you can use them and integrate them together. So all the items in this list are going to be great, even if they already have one of them. There's also a really wide range of prices available here too, so we're going to go all the way from $35 and up. So we have items available for any user and any budget. First, we have the Philips Hue Smart Plug. This costs $35 and it turns any outlet smart and allows it to be controlled with the Philips Hue app. So if you have a light that doesn't allow you to change the bulb, or if you have some sort of appliance that you want to control with an app, this is a great option. Next, we have the Philips Hue Motion Sensor. These cost about $45 and they're really great to use in rooms like garages, laundry rooms, and closets because they can turn the lights on whenever they sense motion. And you can even have different settings for it depending on if it's day or night. So if there's motion in the night, you can make it turn the lights on at a dimmer setting than during the day. These are really versatile and have a little magnet mount. You can put them pretty much anywhere. If you're interested in buying any of these items, I do have links in the description below, and I recommend checking there because the prices can change quite a bit depending on what sales are going on. Next, we have the Hue Iris, which is a really cool Philips Hue lamp that costs about $115. It has several different colors that are available, and it just looks so cool because the whole back of the lamp is clear. So when you change the color of the lamp with your Hue app, it's going to change the color of the whole fixture. So I really love the look of the Hue Iris. It does cost $115. It's a little more expensive than some of the other lights in this list, but it's really cool and anyone is going to appreciate it. Next, we have the Philips Hue Go portable lamp. This is a really cool lamp that is translucent and it changes colors as well, kind of like the Iris, and it has a button on the back so you can change the color even without a remote. This lamp is battery powered and so you can take it with you. It gives you several hours of battery life. It looks really cool either pointed straight up or at an angle. It just has a really cool vibe and ambience to it, and I really like the Hue Go. Next on the list, we have the Philips Hue Tap Dial. This is a cool accessory that not a lot of people know about. There's 4 buttons on it, and there's also a knob that you can turn. So you can use this to change between different presets in a room or a group of lights. And you can also just use it to brighten or dim a whole room's worth of lights as well. It does cost $50. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's really useful and versatile. Next on the list, we have another fixture, the Hue Play Bars. These are really cool because you get 2 individual bars and they have these long cables and there's 1 power supply. These work really great on a TV stand, behind your computer monitor. There's some mounts so you can mount them to the back of the screen, or you can just put them right on top of a surface. You can adjust the angle on them. These are really cool and you can change all the different colors just like any other Philips Hue bulb. Next on the list, we have the Lutron Aurora. This is kind of similar to the Hue Tap Dial, but instead of having 4 presets, it's either off or on, and there's a dial to adjust the brightness as well. What's cool about this is it actually can go right on top of a standard light switch, and it gives you that easy dimmability with any Philips Hue light bulbs or fixtures. Last on the list, we have more Hue bulbs. You can never have too many Hue bulbs because it seems like there's always a light fixture or a lamp around the house that needs to be converted to be smart. So you can always just buy your Philips Hue fan, the standard white and color ambience bulbs, and they'll be sure to appreciate having more of those in their collection. The price on these can be all over the place too, so just look for the best deals with the links in the description below. If you have any other questions about any of these items or want to check the most up-to-date pricing, I do have links in the description below. Leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming tech content.